So I recently switched from like Notion, Calendly, Monday.com, Todoist, and pretty much all the other project management tools over to a fairly new tool called Motion AI. It's pretty much all the other tools wrapped up in one bundle. It's pretty much my favorite project management experience I've had in quite a few years. It's very AI first and everything. It's really cool. But side note, this is not affiliate marketing or paid marketing or anything like that. This is just my honest opinion about the tool and what I built to improve my experience using Motion AI, especially since it's so new. So first off, what did I build? Their only active no-code integration they have is Zapier, which as an engineer I hate, but they've got a pretty easy API to work with. And I wanted to build something that pushed updates when certain tasks or even projects were completed in Slack. So I built this integration using Railway, which is a really cheap and easy way to deploy integrations like this. And one thing I think I'll be critical about with Motion AI is that their notification systems are lacking. The only real way you get reliable notifications about tasks or updates to projects is through email. And I'm trying my best not to be in my email all the time with a bunch of notifications. So anyway, here's the repo. Let me go ahead and switch screens for you here. And I have this open source repo. Feel free to use it. If you use Motion AI already, I'm more than happy for you to go ahead and use it. All you need is a Motion AI API key, which you can get by having a Motion AI account. And obviously your Slack auth key, which is created when you actually generate a Slack app. So it's really easy to set up. You can actually run this locally if you want to as well. So there's the local option of running the automation, or you can just go ahead and deploy it to Railway. It's very easy to deploy to Railway. After you fork it, all you really need to do is you just copy the link to the repo, and then you just head over to Railway. And this is my active Railway integration, but from their terminal, you should be able to just simply come over here, create a new project, paste it, and then it will deploy it for you just simply by hitting deploy here. Now, once you deploy, you need to make sure that you enter in your keys. There's a couple other additional things I do have in here in keys. One of them is the workspace, the workspace ID. Within this integration, I only have notifications coming from one specific workspace. Since I'm working on different projects and everything like that, I want to make sure that the notifications are coming from one workspace, basically. And then the other thing is I wanted to go to like a specific channel. So then I use that channel as kind of like an environment variable as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really easy to set up. Feel free to set it up. I will say that if you want to update the time interval in which the API refreshes, it depends on your tolerance of cost. Then you can update that as you wish. It's at 60 seconds right now, but even with the hobby plan for Railway, it's actually pretty cheap to say the least. But if you want to make it cheaper, you can go ahead and just set it to like every hour it posts all of your updated tasks and things like that. So another thing that I'll say is like, here, I'll just put it like right here. This is what the actual notification looks like, but you can modify that however you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really enjoyed kind of putting this thing together, and feel free to use it as you wish. Hopefully, a few people will find it and find it useful for either themselves or their team. But that's it. Take care.